Hello friends. Bronzer, let's talk bronzer. That's one of those things that I recommend often when I do color matches and people are like, well, I don't really know how to use that. I was in that same boat, and then as with all other makeup products that Mascara Beauty introduced me to that I was afraid to use before, it's so easy now. So I'm gonna show you guys where to apply it, and then the one that I use is Mascara Beauty, duh. That is, so Bella bronzer is this one right here. And then I like to mix that with Glow when I go in and do that. So don't be afraid by the blush that's already on here. You'll see that that came off on my cheeks and it's not coming off on my hand. It just kind of stained the brush a little bit. And when I clean that with our brush cleaner, it's... Why is Siri talking to me on my watch? So using this, and then I'm going in with the fluffy end. So the thing that you want to think about with bronzer is it's where the sun naturally hits you. So it's gonna be the high points of your face. So I always go in my hairline, and don't worry, this is not covering the contour. This is so sheer and it's just warming things up. So forehead, and then right above, almost like in between where my blush and my illuminator is, a little bit on the nose, and then just to make the color uniform, I go a little bit on my jawline, but that's not really, I guess right here, the sun would hit me, I don't know. So anyways, this is what I like to do. But taking that large side, I'm gonna get some on the brush here, and as you'll notice, I'm going into both of these colors. You can use just Bella bronzer. You don't have to use Glow illuminator, but I just love that illumination with it. And again, it's so sheer and it's so warm and light. So I'm just dusting this. I say dust, but it's a cream, but I'm dusting this right here where the sun would hit my forehead. See how that warmed it up already? It's like just that finishing touch that like takes your makeup to this whole new level. So getting a little bit more there. And this is a cream, by the way. And again, the creams are so forgiving, and that's what makes them so easy to use. And I think that's why I've had no problem with it. So again, look at how it's so light and so sheered. You probably didn't even notice it go on my face, but you can see the difference between the two there. And then I'll do a little bit here. And then I just like to go right where I contoured on my nose, and then a little bit right there. So look at that side of my face as opposed to this. Again, it's just like that finishing final touch that you didn't even know you were missing until you do it. I use this bronzer most of the year. Obviously, I live in Arizona and it's always really sunny, so we've just always got sun going on here, but so I feel like I can get away with it. I don't ever get too pale to where I can't, but again, it's just that warmth and that life that it brings into your face. And it's not covering my blush, it's not covering my contour because it's so sheer, and again, so easy to work with. But just look at that. It's like the mascara to your foundation, right? So you can do your eyes all these with these fun things, fun like I did today. I used some of our glitter eyeshadows. That's Graceland, Junior Prom, and As If. So that's a fun one. But anyways, you can do that, and then if you don't put your mascara on, it's like, it's pretty, but like, meh, right? So same with the foundation. It's like, wow, that looks really good, but then you put the bronzer on, it's like, wow, that looks really good. So that's where you do it. Forehead, right there on the high points of your cheekbones, a little bit on your nose, and then I just, right here, because I mean, because I'm weird like that. I don't know, but it's, play around with it. Put it where you want it, warm up your face, and again, that's Bella Bronzer from Mascara Beauty. There's a link in the description if you click the drop down, and have fun with it, guys. Thanks for watching.